In this video, I'm going to help Vivian hit her iron straighter and farther. Hey Vivian,
Hello.
welcome to our channel. Okay. So let's first show the audience how your swing looked like. Yeah, still same issue. Your swing looked like this. One, and then you do a weight transfer after you hit the ball. So what's happening is your loft of the club, because of the early casting, is facing the sky like this. And I noticed you always hit the ground first. I never seen you hitting the ball first or hitting after the ball. Your club is always behind, and then like a weight transfer, leaning back. So we're going to work on those three things. First is the weight transfer. And then second thing is getting into a proper swing plane. And then I don't know if we can fix the early casting, but we'll try our best to fix the early casting too. Okay. Yeah? So if you can properly do a weight transfer.
I think the chance will
yeah, if you can do that, your early casting can get fixed, but we'll have to see. Okay, so let's get to your setup here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And so first, we're going to get your hands a little bit closer to your body. So come a little bit closer. Okay, good. The hand, we're gonna add a little bit of shaft lean. Okay, and then let's go to the top of the backswing. Good, so top of the half swing, we're going to push our hip. We're just really gonna just bump your hip this way. Bump, good. So without losing the spine angle though. Did you notice that when you bump your hips, you just did this. So we're not going to lose the spine angle. We're going to move our chest together. Yes. Okay. So back swing and then together. Upper body. Yes. 1, 2. So turn your hips more on the back swing. Oh, back swing, back swing. Good. Bump the hip and move with your chest. Good. Good. So let's do that with your club on top of your shoulder. Let's grab the club like this. Then just doing this back swing. Good. Oh, get your hands. Yes. Back swing. Yes. Go this way. Yes. Good. Not back swing and this. Back swing and move the hip together. Good. Let's try 3 more. 1. Back swing. 2. And 3. Good. So we're gonna do that with the actual swing. So back swing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and swing. 1, 2, swing. Okay, good. Let's try 2 more. 1, 2, swing. Good. 1, 2, swing. Oh, great. So can you feel your pressure moving from your right to left?
Yeah.
And okay, good. We're not working on too much of hip rotation. We're just working on just getting your whole body, not leaning towards the right side, just moving towards the left.
Okay.
Yes. Good. So let's do that with the actual swing. It's a little bit faster. 1 towards the left. Oh, it's actually perfect. Let's try 1 more. 1, go. Good. All right, let's actually hit the ball with that position. So we're just adding the extra weight transfer and do a little bit of shaft lean. Good. Okay. Okay, that was actually not bad. Let's try 1 more. So your impact position just looked like this just now. There's more weight transfer there. So still a little bit of struggle during the impact. So let me show you an example. Okay. This is the one drill that you can do to hit the ball more from the left side of the body. So we're gonna usually put the ball in the center of your stance, right? We're gonna put the ball 1 and 2 more left of the center.
Okay.
Now we're going to do a setup right here. And then our goal is to try to hit this ball right here. 1, 2. Okay, let me show you an example. So if I put the ball so much on my left side, it forces you to do a weight transfer. Because, yeah, so this is the middle of my stance. I'm gonna put it almost at my left feet, and then I do my setup here, and then trying to hit this ball. Look how much my chest moved toward the target during the impact. See, my whole body's just leaning towards this way.
I think I always like hit the ball and then.
Yeah, you always hit and then go. Yeah. So let's give this a try. This is a very simple drill you can do. So do your normal setup. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, that's your normal setup, right? So I'm gonna put the ball right up here. And close the face a little bit more. Close the face. Means, yeah, just don't, close the face means, yes. Okay, then do the swing. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try it 2 more. Okay, so you keep shanking a ball. So let's put the ball a little bit farther away from you. But weight transfer is pretty good. So stand a little bit farther. Stand farther. Stand farther away from the ball. Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, good. Good. Much better. Okay. So we got your weight transfer much better now. So you're not leaning back toward the target, but you're still struggling with over the top and then the early casting. So let's get to your setup one more time. So we got to learn to shallow the club. So do you remember what kind of drill we did to shallow the club? What kind of drill?
Outside?
Yeah, we're trying to fix the outside in before, right? So all we did was we put the ball, we put 2 balls here. So let me put an extra ball here. Okay. So one way to, then do the backswing. Good. Then trying to keep, remember we trying to keep your hands moving towards your right pocket on the downswing. Right pocket. But while you're doing this, we have to start doing a weight transfer. Do the weight transfer? Yes, while you're throwing your hands towards your right pocket. Okay. So this is going to help you shallow the club better because your hands always move this way. So your club follows you, right? So if your club falls towards the ground, your club also falls shallows behind you, right here. Okay.
Is it because I didn't transition? So that's why I always like this.
Yeah, I mean your transition is not good, yes. And then your hand path is not good too. So your hand path is here.
Yeah, always like this.
So we want to go a little bit more closer to the body. So let's give it a swing. Let's set up to this ball. I'm just gonna put this a little bit farther. Okay, ready? Oh, good. That was slightly better. Remember last time we do a lot of strong grip? And then right hand has to be underneath. Good. Okay, good. Oh, sorry. Let's move this way. Your ball is on the right side of your body. Move, keep going, keep going. Okay. Wait, I think you're a little confused of the ball position. Your ball was literally just right here. So no wonder why your clubface keep closing, right? So got to make sure you're in the same spot every time. Okay. So close the face more. Close the face doesn't mean this. This is not closing. Closing means this. Yes. Okay. Good. So inside out. Okay. All right. Slowly getting better. Okay. Got to 113, but with your height and your speed, we should be getting all the way up to 130. That's our goal.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Much better. So that was actually the best one so far. But you just hit the ground first. And just elbow tucked in. Almost there. Okay, we need to make sure we release the club and rotate the wrist after the impact. So now you're swinging more from inside out, and then you're pushing your weight towards the lee side, but you're struggling with club face. Your club face is wide open,
Yeah.
so it's going right side.
So I should turn my.
Yes. While you're doing this, when you're about to go to the impact, we got to rotate the wrist. Do you remember
Yeah, yeah.
learning about the rotation? So we did that with driver, right? So
Yeah.
make sure your wrist and forearm almost feel like they're gonna touch each other. And right hand has to take over after you hit the ball. You're kind of in this position.
Yeah.
So you gotta release the club. So let's give it a practice swing. So just a small swing first. Just here, weight transfer. Good. And then snap the wrist and release the club. Okay. One. Yeah. Good. Okay. Okay, much better. Let's try it 2 more. Weight transfer. Close the face way more. Way more. Even more. More. Close it. Yep. And then just weight transfer inside out. Okay. Okay. All right. Just one more. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and get access to an exclusive perk by joining our YouTube membership. See you guys in the next video.